Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So today I am unpacking some UV DTFs that I got from ResinSuppliesDen. So this is from Amanda over there. And I have to say, that one was featured on Claire's Crafted Corner, but I've had UV DTFs off Amanda before, and they were that good. I then said, send me some more.
Yeah, no, we don't actually need any.
Well, no. I actually couldn't choose. So I basically said to her, here's some money, send me a selection.
Send me stuff.
And she did. And I have to say, the selection that she sent me, I was chuffed to bits because they were really, really nice. There's some of those lush little cute ghosts but these phoenixes, oh, yeah, they sang to me.
I mean, there are some really nice ones there.
Really nice ones.
Yeah.
So what I thought I would do is I would make an AquaCast tray, but I thought I'd do it a little bit different.
Okay.
So we've all seen where you take resin, alcohol inks, and you put them straight onto the mold, and then you pour the resin over it.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, I thought, what happens if I do that with AquaCast pigments? So what you saw me doing just there was I was adding one drop of Homeware Design Co. pigment and just mixing it with a little bit of water because neat, they are very, very pigmented. So I just mixed them with a little bit of water. And then I thought, well, I'll just put them in the mold. Now, I have no idea what this is going to come out like. So,
well, you do now.
I do now, but at the time I did it, I was like, this could be an absolute nightmare.
This could be either a nightmare or a game changer.
Yeah. Now, I poured the AquaCast in from a height because I wanted the pressure of the pour to push out the pigment.
Which it did.
As you can see, it luckily poured it right over the edge of the mould.
Now, is that because you poured too much in?
I poured way too much in. So this is also a brand spanking new mould.
Right, okay.
It's the round version of the Halloween, my favourite Halloween tray that I did. It's the round version, and I've never used it before. So I was like, do I do this? Because if I ruin the mould...
See, that looks quite cool. It looks like a fractal. It doesn't now.
It doesn't stay like that. And then because it's got the beading in the edges, I do have to do a bit of tapping. Now, I have to say that when I say I made a mess with this...
It's a good job you used that tray.
That would be the understatement of the century because, oh my gosh, did I go too mad.
Did you?
I really did. I made too much. I poured too much.
Now, when you're pouring that in there, it looks like it's actually just dragging those dots to the edge.
Yeah, it is. It's exactly what it does.
Okay.
But it all changes. So this is about 90 minutes, probably about 2 hours if I'm honest, later. I could have demolded it earlier, but I do like to just leave it over in the corner for a bit and do something else.
And forget about it.
Well, it's not that I forgot about it. I do other things whilst it's doing that.
Okay.
So, and now I have to say the bottom of the tray, I was like, oh, I really like that.
That looks quite cool. Yeah.
I was like, I love that.
Yeah.
So I turned it over. The edges I was really chuffed with because it's almost like it's marbled, but not quite marbled.
What happened there then? Did it just push everything to the side?
Because it pushed everything out.
There's nothing in the middle.
You got that white in the middle, and I actually really liked it.
Oh, really? I thought you were going for like some sort of effect in the middle, not completely white.
Well, okay. Well, I don't know what I was going for. I was just trying it to see what would happen. And I happened to really like it. So there.
So if you wanted
if I was
the edges coloured but the middle not, you could actually do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like how this turned out because it was such a subtle, almost marble effect. I couldn't have done that with a traditional way of marbling a traditional marble.
No. Okay.
So yeah, I really, really like it. I really liked it.
I'm getting that.
I was like, ooh, I did a thing.
We don't say that anymore.
But yeah, so I thought, right, that is screaming out for a decal or two.
Screaming. It wasn't singing. It was screaming.
It was screaming at me.
Wow.
Make me a decal. So I did.
Decal me up.
Yeah. So I thought, well, I felt that the colours I went for were quite wintry, sort of
blue and white and that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought, baby, it's cold outside.
Yeah. And while you were doing that, how much of the song were you singing?
Oh, I haven't stopped singing it since. It's just constant, as you well know.
I know.
And then I took some of the decals that I got from Amanda over at ResinSuppliesDen, and the snowmen are so cute. And I put them on the tray.
They look really cool. And to be fair, all of those DTFs,
oh, they're stunning.
They're awesome.
Are stunning. And
what happened there?
Oh, yeah, I pulled that one off and it pulled a bit of the middle one off. So I had to do a bit of
snowman surgery.
A bit of snowman surgery. But you won't notice because I do something very clever.
What's that then?
You'll see. I'm not doing spoilers. So there. Right.
See, I've seen it, so I can't. Oh, yeah. I know. Okay.
So
sneaky.
I know. So I put my decal on, and I was at this point I was over the moon. I was like, I'm loving this. I am a happy bunny.
Okay.
And then because I've put now, if I had just put the UV DTFs, I personally would have left it with just the UV DTFs because once they're on, nothing shifts them. But because I put the tech wrap on, I thought I'm gonna pop a very thin layer of epoxy just to protect
just
it.
To cover it up. Yeah.
And then I also had some I ordered the Christmas glitter box from Sharon Kerr over at ResinSuppliesDen. And
this ResinSuppliesDen has got a lot to answer for.
Yeah, well, I don't go there a lot, but when I do go there, I go there. And she was doing a Christmas box, and I was like, I need those. I need that in my life. So I ordered it. And I do an unboxing in another video, so you'll see it. But there were these snowflakes, and I thought, that is just perfect for this particular project.
Yeah.
And it wasn't I got them specifically for this project. It was a very happy, fortuitous coincidence.
You bought them a while ago just in case.
No, I literally got them. I think they were delivered like the morning I started this tray.
Oh, right.
So
okay.
I was like, it's fate.
Fate. It's fated.
It was fated. It was written in the stars that I had to have that glitter, you see, for this particular project.
Okay.
Why are you pulling that face?
He's
pulling a face at me that suggests he doesn't believe me.
No, I don't.
But anybody watching this video will know what I'm talking about. They understand where I'm coming from.
Mm-hmm.
So what I did is I just tipped out a couple of the sort of snowflake ones, and these are, I can't remember what they're called. I will put them in the description. But they have like an aurora kind of shift on them.
I did notice that because there's a couple of them you actually dunk into the resin and they actually change colour. It's very cool.
They are so cool. Like, really nice. Love them. So, and what I did is I strategically placed them on a couple of on the snowman where there may have been the slight surgery performed. And I thought, no one will ever know.
However,
apart from anybody watching this video, because you've seen me
resin moves, so wouldn't it pull those around?
Well, do you know what? None of those, well, I would say pretty much all of those snowflakes stayed exactly where I wanted them to, apart from one moves. And I thought, that's just rude, if I'm honest.
And which one was it?
It was the one at the bottom above the E. It actually just drifts up towards the cold.
Okay.
And I thought, that's just rude.
I thought it might have been the one on the snowman hiding.
No. That one pretty much stays where I put it. But yeah, no, I was.
So that one just on the top of the E where the outside looks, it's red now.
Yeah.
It looks really cool.
I know. Now this is what I did with leftover. You were supposed to cut this bit out because I don't actually show the final.
That's all right. You can put them in the community
not in the glamour
post.
shots, but what I'll do is I'll take a photograph of them and I'll pop it on the community tab.
Well, you showed them in the demoulding.
I know. It was literally just the leftover.
Yeah.
And all I did with those was I put some of the snowflakes and a little top coat. That was all.
Yeah.
But there you have it.
Yeah.
There is the tray. What do you think?
I like it. I think it's cool.
I was quite pleased with it.
I think the snowman, there's the snowman on there.
Yeah. So, anything that I've used in this video, I will leave links to in the description. And don't forget, there is the AquaCast discount code of Kirnix 15 that you can use at the checkout at ellychem.co.uk.
Yep.
And that's all, really. So
and
all that's
go
left for
check
me to say
ResinSuppliesDen.
Yeah.
Get a loan out first.
Yeah. And all that leaves me to say is, if you're still watching at this point, thank you very much. And if you like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
While you're down there, why not give this subscribe a little tickle?
And if you already have, or you're one of our members, or you support us in any way, shape or form,
thank you very much.
And hopefully we will see you in the next one. Have a great couple of days.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.